and you are welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Daisy's Wardrobe. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're an existing subscriber, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. And if you've seen my videos before and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And put on the notification bell so that you know when I put up a new video. And if you're in a fashion business or are looking to become a fashion designer, this is the place to be. So I'm an African-inspired ready-to-wear fashion designer based here in Lagos, Nigeria, and I've been in business for 10 years. So 10 years ago, the journey started to become a fashion designer. It was what I wanted to do, it was what I desired doing. At the time, I worked in a corporate job and I wasn't feeling very fulfilled in what I was doing. I wanted something that I could do for a very long time, that even when I'm older, I would feel happy. And in my corporate job at the time, I saw people who had been working for the same company for so many years, and honestly, I didn't want to be like one of them. And so I decided to pursue my love for fashion. I started this journey 10 years ago, not knowing exactly where I was heading, where I was going, what exactly it is I wanted to do in fashion, and I was filled with so much fear and uncertainty. And even in the midst of so much fear and so much uncertainty, I was willing to take a leap of faith. I left a corporate secure job to pursue a path I had absolutely no experience in, and I knew nobody who was in this field, literally. In 10 years, I've had a lot of ups and downs, a lot of positive and negative things have happened to me and happened in my business and happened to my business at the same time. But I would say that the positives outweigh the negatives, and it's been an emotional journey. And when I say emotional journey, I mean so much has happened, so much has taken place in the last 10 years that has molded me and shaped me to become who I am today. A lot of my blood, my sweat, and my tears have gone into this business, and so, which even makes it more of an emotional journey. I've discovered so many aspects of myself that I never ever in this world would have known or thought about. It's made me so much resilient, disciplined, and committed to anything I put my hands to. I have pushed myself so hard within this business to learn so much and learn so much within fashion design and outside fashion design, and all the knowledge I've gained in the last 10 years has led me to a place of feeling very confident and feeling very powerful, to be honest, because they say knowledge is power. I never thought I'd make it this far, but definitely God brought me this far, and I am so grateful for everything. I'm so grateful for all the opportunities and all the people that I've met through this business. One of the most important things I learned in the last 10 years is believing in myself, even when nobody believed in me, believing that I could achieve whatever anyone or anybody said I couldn't achieve, and that has done wonders for me. Apart from God, believing in myself is what has got me this far. I've taken risks, I've taken chances in so many areas, and at every single point in time, I've believed in myself. It's very hard to believe in yourself because sometimes you have your mind talking to you and trying to sabotage you and telling you that you are not enough. But I managed to put that noise out of my head, put the voices out of my head, and just focus, really. I started my business running a very small retail store where I sold my pieces at the time in little quantities. And honestly, they always say, do not despise your humble beginnings. When I look back now, I'm so grateful because it makes you appreciate, or it makes me appreciate how far I've come. I didn't start big, I started very small. I started on the 4th floor, or was it the 5th floor of a building, that when customers even come to my store, then they are panting, they're asking for bottles of water, and there was no elevators, there was no escalator, there was nothing, it was just the stairs. But the fact that people kept on coming, as far up as I was, people kept on coming, it gave me hope and it encouraged me a lot. And as time went by, I went on to have 3 other retail stores in 10 years. So in 10 years, I've run 4 retail stores. And honestly, I look back, honestly, I am so grateful. So grateful to God. I'm really grateful. I have made clothes and sold clothes to different kinds of people, mostly women, some men. Sometimes, when I see the people that have bought clothes from me, I'm like, God, really? And it brings me so much joy when people wear my clothes, especially in my store, and I get to see them and I see how beautiful they look. I see how the fit, because I'm very particular about fits. I see how it fits them perfectly, and that customer satisfaction, when you see it in their eyes, it means so much. The cherry or the icing on the cake is when you go somewhere, you see someone wearing your dress, and you're like, oh my God. You go for an event and you see someone, or even 2 people, wearing one of your ready-to-wear pieces, and you're like, even till this day, it makes me so happy. Really happy. Or when someone calls me and says, Daisy, I saw someone wearing your dress. I knew it was a Daisy dress. The way it was cut, even the way the Ankara looks, I knew it had to be from your store. And maybe they will send me a picture and I'll be like, yeah, they bought it from my store. Oh my God, I'm like, oh my God. So people know that, someone bought this dress from Daisy's wardrobe. It makes me very happy. And to be able to achieve this in 10 years, honestly, I do not take it for granted. It hasn't been an easy ride, it hasn't been an easy journey, but with God, all things are possible. In 10 years, I have learned so much. I can categorically say, when it comes to anything that has to do with being a fashion designer or running a fashion business in Nigeria, I think my head is very full. I've learned so much. I'm grateful to God. My learning process was not easy because you have to consider the fact that I am a wife, I am a mother of 2 children, and juggling family life with a business or with a career is not always the easiest thing. But they say if something is important to you, you would find time for it, or you will make time for it. My family is important to me, my business is important to me. So I have deliberately made time for my family, my children, my business, and it hasn't been easy. It has stretched me a whole lot. But the thing is, when I look back, I have no regrets. I have absolutely no regrets. No regrets whatsoever. And after 10 years, I am so proud of myself for everything I've been able to achieve in 10 years. I'm so grateful to God. And honestly, I'm really happy, and I feel very blessed to have been able to get to where I am in 10 years. So if you're looking to be a fashion designer or start a fashion business, I created this video to motivate you and encourage you that yes, it is possible, yes, you can do it. When you believe in yourself and you believe in God, all things are possible. So my video for today is done. If you have enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and put on the notification bell so that you know when I put up a new video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.